Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng Signal HD Spikers ang Maverick Hard Hitters 25-20, 25-9, 25-12. Best player of the game si Mark Calado sa likod ng kanyang 13 points. Pinataob naman ng Philippine Air Force Airmen ang Venus Nasty 29-27, 15-25, 23-25, 25-21, 15-13. Best player of the game si Brian Haleco sa likod ng kanyang 21 points mula sa 20 attacks at 1 block na may kasamang 13 excellent receptions. Wagi naman ang crisscross crunchers kontra sa Savod si Statex 25-15, 25-19, 31-33, 25-19. Best player of the game si Manuel Sumanggid sa likod ng kanyang 21 excellent receptions at 9 excellent digs. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong April 28, 2024 na gaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Sa first game, magtutos ang Richmark Spiker at Maverick Hard Hitters alas 4 ng hapon. Sa main game naman, magharap ang PGGC Navy at The Navigators Iloilo alas 6 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings as of April 26, 2024. Signal HD Spikers 8 wins 0 loss. Crisscross Crunchers 7 wins 1 loss. The Navigators Iloilo 5 wins 2 losses. PGGC Navy 5 wins 2 losses. Savage Statics 4 wins 4 losses. Venus Nasty 2 wins 6 losses. Philippine Air Force Airmen 2 wins 6 losses. Maverick Hard Hitters 1 win 6 losses. Richmark Spikers 0 win 7 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.